Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview CDDZ metal frame rectangular pool with filter pump. This swimming pool is a great baby gift. The pool is a great place to entertain and relax for children and the whole family in summer. The package includes 1 swimming pool, 1 pump, 1 cover, 1 ground cloth, 10 ocean ball, 1 beach ball, 1 swimwear, 1 arm circle, 1 swimming goggles, 1 swimming ring, 1 air pump, 1 repair patch. Swimming pool installation usually takes approximately 20 minutes. Product benefits: strong and corrosion-resistant steel structure with heavy-duty PVC and polyester 3-ply walls. Mosaic pattern print on inner lining, sides, and bottom. Built-in flow control drain valve water. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.